Hello friends, today we will discuss about analysis of the steel section. This is my structure I have already created in the StatPro Connect edition. I will analyze this structure by applying some loads. This is my geometry and we can review some properties in the StatPro. I have not applied any property on the particular steel section. For applying the properties, just click on the section database. In the section database, it will open the particular steel section database. Now I have to select the Indian sections. In the Indian sections, I am going to use the particular S shape, and in the S shape, from here we can select the S shape size. I select the ISLV 550, and again I have select the two section ISLV 450, and again I am selecting the third section, that is ISLV 300, and next one is I am selecting the ISLV 200. So these are all the four cross sections I have selected, and I can easily specify on the screen, just assigning the third one ISLV 300 to all the beams, this is beams, and for the particular inclined members I have to decide ISLV 200. So in the 3D view this structure looks like this. This is my steel sections. I have already applied ISLB 200, ISLB 300, and ISLB 450. Now I have to create some loading for this structure. I'm going to loading. Before loading, I have to define the support. I am going to use the fixed support on the base. Just select all the bottom nodes and assign the fixed support. Now I'm going to loading and create some load cassette, that is dead load, and the live load. Select the live load, add, close, select the dead load, and in the dead load I am going to specify the self factor -1, and for the live load I am going to assign the particular nodal load of value in the y direction, that is 1.9 kilonewton. Just click on add. Assign all the load cases, select the live load, and we can assign these are all the values members to all the members. Just make the structure in front view, select all the top nodes. So this is the node load, so select all the top node and click on assign to selected node, assign, yes. Now I can create a load combination. So according to our use, we can define manual load combination with the factor 1.2. So I have created a load combination. Just go to the analysis and define the command. Click on close and run analysis. It will analyze all the structure. If there is any warning or error, it will showing on the screen. So these are all how can be able to create the structure. After analyzing, just click on post processing. This is my result screen. From here we can review the all relative displacements, and also reaction. Also we can apply the beam results, maximum shear forces. This is my analytical modeling. We can simply go through it.